how to fix while data is not working in Realme C53 or C55. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can turn on or off your airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode. After that, check your network connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your network connection. After update your network connection, then scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Now on top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back and click on erase all data, and then here enter your password to erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.